Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar is attempting to rally on and take on that level of 75.0510 after rebounding overnight from 74.30. With the outlook still looking for a potential climb towards that top side of the range, a break above 75.10 would give further stretch towards 75.65, 75 before the focus reversing. I only see this as a short-term coverage if we see a break. However, a firm rejection would send the market back towards 74.30 and lower to last week's low or objective of 73.10 and reassess from there. The euro still persistent in climbing higher as the market rebounds overnight from the low of 105.60-65, and now with the bullish divergence still holds to a potential claim to the upside. However, we do need to see a break above 106.80-85 to trigger short covering on towards 107.60 to 108 the figure. In light of the current pattern and also with a slightly weaker US dollar coming through, could see the euro move higher and support by this bullish divergence of a break of 106.885. However, before we get too bullish, wait for the break, as a rejection from there could easily send the market back down towards 105.60, with the objective still holding towards 104.70, with the broader picture holding towards 102. Dollar yen slowly finding its feet towards the downside after a rejection above 101.13, the figure overnight, looks towards the recent lows of 111.75 and 111.35, and it is seen from there that a break beneath 111.35 will get the focus towards 110.50 and reassess from there. It is likely to see a market rebound from 110.50 or around that region of 30.50 and see a recovery, or should I say a firm recovery, towards 114 to 116. Sterling rebounds in front of that 123.60 level overnight after recording an 84 low, and now looks towards 125. Now a break above there of 125.30 should see further upside potential towards 125.65.70 with 124.60 as an objective. However, wait for the break. As we saw recently, the rejection from there could easily send the market back towards 123.60 and beneath there towards 120. Gold still struggling to hold on to any fresh gains, with the outlook still looking towards 11.77. Now a break beneath there would expose further weakness towards 11.50 as the objective. However, we do have on a daily outlook slightly firmer indicators, so we could see a rejection from 77 up towards 1,200 and reassess from there, as a break above 04 would give further scope towards 1,212 and reassess. The oil outlook still remains towards $43 a barrel after all the gains were given back from the prior day, and rejects that 47 level and now looks towards, as I say, the objective of $43 a barrel. On the day, any advances should find resistance towards 47.30, 40 and firmer at 48.50. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me this morning, and look out for the intraday report, which will be released very shortly.